Press OK to select, or write for other. Text reader mode. Scan to listen, or press menu for options. What can a rain garden do for you? Provide beautiful, healthy gardens for you to enjoy. Reduce wet lawn spots H where lawnmowers get stuck in MOSQ. Slash HUD is a rain order. Slash HUD is a rain order. Measure. Essential 1 steps. Essential steps. Start with a piece of graph paper, fat square on. House. AA7. B equals 2. Presidential landscape architecture, design vary. Foot of view would do it all. Construction, prices vary widely. Photo credits, Katie White OK. Washtenaw County Water Resources Commissioner S. Office. Add soil amendments 9. Plant. Irene Garin, JDIGAN University Housing, designed by Insight Design Studio. Pile soil here. Line leaf, strength. Line level. Base of rain garden. $59. Washtenaw County Air Resorts Commerce 5 Ioneers offs. K. Facebook Kimmel Group's Master Rain Gardener. Zero A. M.I.N. Ross. Volume 8. Master Rain Gardener 0 A Mile in Ross. Volume 8. Text reader mode, scan to listen, or press menu for options. Volume 8. Volume 8. On read on. Volume 8. Text reader. Reader. Press OK to select, or write for other options.
Hello, this is a test. Hello, this is a test. Could you please be so kind and translate this text? Now I guess you hook that up to your computer, and once you hook that up to your computer, there is actually a software where you could download what you just recorded, and I'm trying that out later, but the point of that product, I honestly don't get it, because let's just go back here. Let's say you have a problem reading something, right? So what you would do nowadays, you would snap a photo with your iPhone or your Android phone, whatever. And with my Mac computer, for instance, when I load that photo, that image, with a text, it automatically makes an OCR scan of that text, and that would mean I would have everything in that text. I could work with that. I'll show you that later. I snap a photo of this one, and then I'll show you how I OCR that, so that ReaderPen actually kind of makes no sense to me. You also see it has just a tiny laser scanner in here, which allows you maybe maximum to read 1 or 2 lines. So I'd say it reads exactly like 2 lines. And frankly, I just don't get the point of that product. Obviously, you could dictate text in there and then it makes a speech to text, but you can do that with your cell phone. Also, and as I said, I'll show you later with your cell phone, or I actually make a link in the video. I already did that, how with your cell phone you snap a photo and then you can OCR a text. So that product here, I do not get the sense of that. Maybe a use case would be for somebody who has a problem reading, but I actually make a link in that video where I tested a better product. I got this one from my local library, so I just got it to test it out, but as you've seen in the beginning of the video where I didn't talk, I just wanted you to show the product. I honestly have no clue about a use case for that product, which I think it could work for me, but anyways, that's the video of that product. Okay, so that's what I mentioned. So I just snapped that photo with my iPhone, right? And once you have a photo, at least with my Apple Mac, and I'm pretty sure that works on a PC as well nowadays, it automatically OCRs the text, and then you go to copy text, and then actually you would have that text already available for you, and then you could work with whatever text processor you want to work and use that. So I guess that scanner pen, that's only good for people who might do not have a cell phone available, which I guess almost everybody has, but that's the way you nowadays can you can actually work with your computer. So you see, you can actually see all that text, and even I'm pretty sure you could even click on that email. Let's see. Yeah, you see, you could say compose email, or you could even go to that website. Let's just see. You see, so you don't need such an OCR scanner. Alrighty, and this would actually be the application which comes with that pen, or which you actually have to download. And then you see, you could either transfer the data from the pen to your computer. I have to be honest, I just didn't get the sense of the product, so I didn't even want to import data. I thought it's a totally different device, and well, there you have it. That's more of a lazy review of a product. I thought it's good, and I don't get the sense of that thing.